Hey there guys, this is a YouTube app I made quite a while ago, by the way, 1 year ago. It has the keyword that you put inside, so let's say even here I can put test, for example, I can put marketing, even better, marketing, because we are marketing, right? And here we have found total million results, and you can see straight away, boom, the results were in seconds. Why? Because here we're using direct YouTube data API. Here we have total views, average engagement, and videos analyzed. We have video duration, so let's say for this category, which is marketing here. We have medium, 4 to 20 minutes, basically it's more than 50% or so. We have shorts, and we have long form videos. We have top videos by view. So of course, each and every one of them we can
these markets.
view.
You want to real
perfect. At the same time, here we have videos, so 10 out of 25 for now in marketing, which are trending right now on this specific keyword. I can of course load more if I want to. At the same time, here I have AI insights. Here I'm talking about people ask, all the people ask in this specific category and keyword. At the same time, niche analysis. We have also target audience. We have also content gaps and trending subtopics. At the same time, there are ideas and also script writing and also thumbnail generator. And this was done, guys, 1 year, almost 1.5 years ago. But the beauty about this is not with this, but with this. Because you already know Claude Desktop, Codex Desktop, I mean, they can control everything and I can just give it a prompt. So let me just give it a prompt. Let's research something. Hey there, can you research for me SEO, marketing, AI SEO, GEO, on this YouTube Pro application? Just do the research, gather everything, and then put everything in a well-formatted CSV. Include everything you can find. So this is an example of prompt that I gave right now to Mr. Claude with desktop control, with browser control as you know it. And right now, he'll just gonna use the current browser and he'll gonna do the research for me. I mean, that's it. So like that, at least I know for future reference, okay, if I'm making a YouTube video, maybe perhaps about YouTube, even about this video, by the way, I can do the research maybe afterwards, and it'll just give me again trending topics, so I can maybe even know exactly who my audience is, right? For who should I make this video for? What should I use for my titles, for my thumbnails? Because it's very important, especially for content. And initial research definitely is required. And this app, guys, it was done really like 1 year ago, and I made it on Replit even in that period of time. And let me in the meantime tell you like more, because while this agent will execute, because right now he'll gonna start using the browser control. As you can see right now here, apologies, he is pressing on the search. This is my mouse, the one that I can make bigger, and this is his mouse. And right now he checked SEO. So Mr. Claude Sonnet checked the SEO right now, just put in a specific tool, and here we're using just YouTube data API, everyone, directly here, and getting data in seconds. So this application, by the way, it was part of our AI Marketing Hub Pro community, everyone. So if you're gonna go to the classroom here, I'll see, guys, maybe I'm gonna make it public, even the application, or you can even do it yourself. It's so easy to make. If really I'll make it, maybe I'll try to make a repo, let me know. But here, if you go to apps and extras, here you will see that we have a few apps. So this is one, which is the YouTube Pro. And yeah, I mean, just go if you want, guys. I mean, I'll not even change this password maybe for the next week. So anyone that is watching this video, you can use it right now. This is the website, YouTube Research Pro Replit app. Go there, and here you're gonna have this password. So here, this password today and for the next week will be potato add 123. I think we're gonna have like a limit of 1,000 calls per day, I think, if not mistaken, because I forgot. So first come, first serve, guys. I think you can just use it right there. The potato add 123 is the pass. So this is the YouTube Pro app. Once again, here we have research, ideas, scriptwriter, and thumbnail creator. Thumbnail creator was okay-ish, but once again, last time it was updated was quite a while ago. But so far, at least I know for sure that research part is perfect. So use this for research. Ideas, if you want to have some ideas, side hustle, and also we have the scriptwriter here if you want to write some script. So this is the YouTube Pro, guys. Maybe I'm gonna make it better, if really, because for me it looks juicy, especially with browser control and with Claude. I made this also part of my AI Marketing Hub OS, like a mini application. And yeah, I mean, YouTube research like a pro. YouTube Pro with Claude Code. Claude is researching. and then it'll provide us the results. So we're gonna wait right now for it live for me not to cut the video, so you can see like the live exactly what he's doing. Plus at the same time we're gonna check what sort of CSV he will create for us, right? In the meantime we can prepare our table. I'm gonna write here sheets.new. For sure soon everything will be completed. And here, by the way, once again, because anyway Mr. Claude is here, AI insights. All of these was taken once again. It was taken from every specific keywords, so each and every AI insights here. Here we're using Gemini. That time it was also, I think, still the model is Gemini 2.5 Flash, which is relevant API endpoints also from YouTube Data API. And like that, we're just getting this information very fast. And at the same time here, I can just proceed to ideas or download as PDF. So this is like from the app itself. I can just press here and download. So you can see, I think there were some overlaps I remember in the document, but look at this, boom, YouTube research report. Here is everything about each and every video. Okay, cool, we got all of them. We can just share this even with our agent. We have the Q&A, we have, okay, here there's overlap, you see, because I remember even in the past, because I didn't give it too much attention on this PDF. But everything can be done here, at least basic information. So let's say here top videos by views. At least you know exactly, let's say in this specific niche, who exactly and what they are searching for, right? Because that's very important. And at the same time, target audience, imagine, let's say for SEO, right? For SEO right now. Here we have primary demographics, small business owners, digital marketers, website administrator, content creators, and aspiring SEO professionals. Correct. Yep. Classic, simple. Age range between 20 to 55. And I think this analytics you already know, because all of this can be taken also from your YouTube studio. But at the same time here, when you're taking from general perspective from YouTube Data API, it's also very useful. But also all these things you can do even in your own YouTube studio, if you know exactly how. But the easiest way is just to use your YouTube Data API. So while Mr. Claude is cooking, I'm just going to tell you. So YouTube Data API. Nice and simple. You can do it through Google Console API. So what it does, once again, wow, I mean, with YouTube Data API, you can do a lot of things. You can pull any sort of information about any creator if you want. You can even get transcript from there. Wow, you can post your videos. You can use API to post, edit videos, maybe update descriptions if needed. There's so many actions you can do with the YouTube Data API. It really is just fantastic. This is just only one part, if really, guys, because my main point here and why I brought it back, the current YouTube research application, is that I want to make the advanced, in a way, self YouTube studio, where, let's say, have the possibility to review in full the analytics of the videos and performance, right, for each and every individual video. My plan is to also have the full-on scriptwriter and to put also a video editing application inside, just to have the full YouTube studio locally, where I am comfortable exactly how I'm making my videos, like same as I'm making even this video, right? As you can see, I don't have, wow, that many edits, because in the end it's about the value. So for me to have the possibility to share more with the world, for example, these sort of tools, because I have, wow, an ensemble, big, massive bucket here with tools that I want to share with the world, but I don't have the time to make the videos. And I'm like, damn it, what can I do? Here to, you know, keep the balance of both. That's why, okay, YouTube Pro came back into fruition. I will start editing this and making it better and better and doing my magic. And let's see exactly what it's gonna have. I mean, if you have any crazy ideas, let me know maybe down in the comments. If anything you think will be useful, maybe some tools from online, right? Because there's so many good and shiny, juicy objects, video editors, caption creators out there, because it's absolutely fantastic, right? Because let's say even for captions, wow. I mean, I don't know if anyone here, because still waiting for the CSV, right? CapForge. Wow, one of the best, I hope I did not blind your eyes, one of the best open source caption creator for your videos, guys. So if you haven't heard of it and if you want to have captions in your video, CapForge is fantastic. I've used it for the past 2 weeks and 10 out of 10. Really big thanks to these guys. Make sure you also give them a star on GitHub, everyone. So captions for your videos, local, boom, you don't need to use any sort of, let's say even in CapCut or whatever, but here it's just done very fast, seconds, and on your own local computer. The main point here is, again, going back to the YouTube Pro. Once again, why do you need the research? I think you know, right? So your videos will be fine, but around people, you need to write, let's say, even maybe if you're writing scripts in their specific voice and tones, or to get ideas, right? So let's say there is AI SEO here. I can even go to proceed to ideas. I hope I did not mess Claude's work, but here we have research complete, and I have also the ideas that I can generate. So this was also part of the application. Can it be better? I mean, 1 year later, guys, using right now with Fable, I mean, of course we can make it better. And I think that can be a start. So, here the cool point is that there is browser control and I don't need to do nothing. I can just go prepare my coffee, I can come back, and boom, my research is done. Yeah. So quite cool app. So once again, guys, I will change this password in 1 week, and also pro members, you can straight away log in. I have other apps. We have other apps here in the hub. You can check them out. So let's say even here I had this keyword research application. It was quite cool for doing research, and it's also live, by the way, for you homies in the Pro Hub. Let's wait for this. Let's wait for this to finish so we can see exactly what he cooks. Now he's checking for GEO. Again, right now, GEO and AI SEO, I think you know already all the hype which is going on. And yeah, I mean, people are going nuts with all these tools. But according to my analytics, I have seen that I did a research also in regards to SEO and AI SEO and GEO and SEVO and all this thing. I mean, yes, it was a big hype on this specific keyword, but right now it's slowly declining. At the same time, there's so much, slop in the space at the same time. So it's, I feel like everyone is reading a script all the time, and just I don't feel too much natural things. Only a few guys there are that are really cool, and I really appreciate them sharing things, you know. But other than that, look at this, generative engine optimization, GEO, quite cool. Claude is cooking right now, and is just using Sonnet High. Yeah, I could have put even Sonnet Medium or even a Haiku. Could have done it? Yes, of course. Even with Haiku, it will be even more faster. But of course, for the sake of quality, right? You want to have nice, good to medium to high quality. I will say here Sonnet 5 High is perfect for this task because it researched. And again, you don't even need this YouTube Pro application to do that. I mean, you can even take all this data from YouTube Data API. So if you're having any sort of API and if you want to build it yourself, maybe you can just take screenshots of this and just share it with your agent and just tell it, hey, get all the data from the YouTube Data API and create for me this dashboard, right? Because it's so easy to replicate. I mean, it will take just one prompt. Yeah, one prompt, I think it's all that it takes to create all these things. And here the ideas again are being generated for different topics, but we're not going for ideas right now. We're doing only the research. So, oh, even ideas? No, he is doing the ideas also. Cool. And I think it'll be enough. I think this is enough. Can you create for me the CSV, please? And guys, of course, this can be transformed into something else, and I look forward to dissect and metamorphose and do something with this, because it's nice, it's minimal, it's a few buttons, clicks, because that's exactly how I want. I want to search something else. Oh, okay, I'm going to go to new workflow. I will search here potatoes, right? Potatoes, for example. Here, I can even check myself as a human even without AI. I can just check, okay, maybe I'll create video of what if you only had one potato left, for example. Or to check, hey, can I make this sort of cartoons? Yes, imagine 152 million views. With the current AI tools, I think it is possible to make those sort of cartoons if you want to make some sort of like faceless videos, perhaps. But like that, other than that, we have all needed information for each and everything. I don't know why they were showing SEO. Let's wait for it to create the CSV. Then afterwards, I'm going to port it into Sheets. I will just show you what it crafted, what you can do at least. So if you want to maybe do some full on YouTube research, or if you're creating content and you're not seen maybe by the world or by the right people or audience, then you can use this sort of workflow, this sort of tool. Just once again, YouTube Data API. You can just set it up, add YouTube functionality to your site and to your channel, and you can just get everything through it. So there's also Google developers. You can just prompt your agent, that being Codex or Claude, like, hey, let's call the API. Let's set up the YouTube Data API. And like that, we're going to have the full-on possibility to get the data, even publish your videos, and do whatever you want in regards to YouTube. Fast. Very fast. So right now it's still creating. I'm just keeping the flow, at least to show you guys. At the same time, thumbnail generator. Wow, I don't know if I don't know even if it works. I will just even try to test it out right now here. Just for the fun of it, I'm gonna just put here a reference image. Oops, not this one. Hello, Mr. Luke. I'm just gonna put it here. I will maybe drop it here. Does not work. Okay, let me try to select myself. I'm gonna go here for pictures. I will select here this home. I'm gonna put here main text overlay, best ever dude. Subtext. Okay, describe your thumbnail. He's sitting on a white horse like a prince. A suggestion, yeah, advanced configuration, okay, subtext optional, video topic title, how to make 10,000 bucks in 2 days. Oh, this is too generic, guys. I'm not like that. How to be the best ever prince. That's even better. Wow, if it works, it will be fun because I haven't tested this thing forever. I mean, for the past, I think, half a year. I tested it yesterday, but locally, not the server one that I have put there before. But before it was creating the thumbnails with Nano Banana. That was the prompt there. There was some prompt strategy. So here, of course, you could have chosen the composition, the camera angle, lighting, color scheme, and text position. But I did not do that. I mean, just to test it out and just to spend the time. Boom! Wow, it's still good. Look at that. Best ever dude. How to be the best ever prince. Wow, wow. I just put here prince. I should have put prince. Yeah, prince here. But wow, the thumbnail, I will say it's a 10 out of 10. I mean, wow. I did not expect this result. So the tool still works. Thumbnail still creator works. I still remember before I had the ProScript Studio with the video generation. Maybe I can resume that, writing the style off and creating the script. So you can also create a script. So the workflow here was quite simple. Okay. It was first you were doing the research. So let's say, for example, here, research, you can proceed to ideas. Here you can choose proceed to ideas. You can generate ideas. So based on the research that was done, it's supposed to generate ideas. You can also put your keyword or topics or trending subtopics or suggestions, just generating ideas, boom, they appear. So imagine here, generate ideas, you can choose 5 free AI tools you must use daily in 2024. Well, that's from 2 years ago. 10 hidden smartphone tricks, tech myth debunked. So you can choose your own ideas from whatever there is. Let's say I will choose this idea. If I'm going to go here, proceed to script, it will automatically go into the script, the idea itself, and I could have generated the script. So that was the point there. I think for now, sure, we can just make this better. I mean, update the prompts, because imagine this was the prompt engineering from 1 year ago. A lot of things have changed since then. But less about that. Let's pick and let's check how this one is working. I will download this CSV. I'm going to go to Google Sheets. I'm going to go here. I'm going to press on import, press on upload, drop the CSV inside, and let's see exactly the research that was done here. Import data. And now let's see what it crafted here for us. So we have the topic, category, the rank, title, and questions. Okay, good. Not bad at all. Let's say I think we can even... wow, okay, that's quite a lot of things. We can also summarize this whole data, right? We can also convert to table, because that will be, I think, a lot more easier for us. And here we have category. So this is search and summary, overview, stats, top videos. People also ask, target audience, trending subtopics, content gaps, top video by views, videos, people ask, target audience, search, videos. Wow, okay. So we have category, rank, title and questions, channel and answers, the views, upload date, duration, likes, comments, notes, and a few other columns. There's already nothing. So, wow. Can we transform and get something from this juicy data? Absolutely, yes. Can we get content ideas? Yes. Can we get maybe information that, let's say, for ads or anything, or even for our own self-channel? Yes, yes, and yes. Guys, this was the YouTube Pro, and just how I used Mr. Claude also to do the research, also manually how to do the research. So it was a tool inside our AI Marketing Hub Pro. Right now it will be also like live there for you if you want to try it. Should I make a tool and open source it later? Yes, maybe I'll do it. But if you like this video, maybe I'll do it faster. So thank you so much for watching. Daniel here, and I wish you all a great day ahead. Ciao, ciao.